You may be surprised to know that you have some control over certain aspects of your vehicle, even when you're not the one behind the wheel. Thanks to MyKey, an available assistance feature, you can limit certain functions to help you or a loved one practice good driving habits. Here's a few things you need to know about it. MyKey has 3 standard settings. First, it has a constant chime alert for unbuckled driver and front passenger seat belts, and automatically mutes the radio until belts are fastened. It also gives you an earlier low fuel warning to help eliminate yet another driving concern. And if your car is equipped with available features like bliss, forward collision warning with cross-traffic alert, and lane departure warning, with MyKey, they're automatically locked on. Let's program your MyKey. First, decide which of your 2 keys will become your MyKey. The other will be an administrator key, which gives the car full function and can be used to reset or reprogram MyKey at any time. Once you choose your MyKey, simply put it in the ignition and start your vehicle. If your vehicle has a push-button start, place the key on the backup slot. Using the touchscreen in your vehicle, choose Settings, Vehicle, MyKey. Select Create MyKey and follow the instructions. Once you've created it successfully, you'll get a pop-up message. Press Close and then just turn off your vehicle and remove the key. Now, whenever this key is used, your settings are on. To get the most from MyKey, you can add optional settings that may be especially helpful to parents of new drivers. To access them, press Settings, Vehicle, then MyKey. Volume Limiter allows you to limit the maximum radio volume. You can set 911 Assist and Do Not Disturb to Always On, which forces them to remain on and active. Max Speed allows you to set a maximum speed limit. The vehicle will display a visual and audible warning when the selected top speed is reached. A speedminder chime can also be programmed into your MyKey. Select the info buttons next to each option to learn more about them. Of course, you can always choose to turn off MyKey by using your admin key, pressing MyKey information on your touchscreen and following the prompts. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.